Let's see what we got for dinner today, you guys. Look for dinner. What's for dinner today? Who's cooking tonight, you guys? Let's see what we got in here, guys. We got some stuff in the fridge. See, we got some milk. We got some milk, you guys. What date is this for this milk? September 8th. Okay, so, and we also got some. What else we got in here? I don't know, but it really fucking matters. So that doesn't it? What do we got in the fridge? We got some eggs. We got some milk, and we got all these. We have all these toppings too. So, who filled up this water? Who filled up this water sink? Yeah. This needs to be straightened up. Ooh, candy. That's mine. I bought this today, you guys. Butterfingers. This Butterfingers my favorite. And you know I like to buy some Mountain Dew. I love Mountain Dew, my favorite. Put this Mountain Dew in the fridge and make it so cool down for a little bit. Alright. Let's check on my phone. See what my percentage is. And let's see what anything I got today. See, I got all these photos, you guys. And see, I had to re-download these photos so I can make good pictures. So, yeah. Yep. All right.